Good evening, guys. Today we are going to discuss a few problems on the topic partnership. Yeah, I hope you understood the meaning partnership. This is nothing but it's like the business started by two or more than two people, and our problems will be dependent on share of the profit on which is dependent on the investment, their investments. So that's how we discuss the problems in this. So here, the basic point in this topic is the share of the profit is always dependent on or directly proportional to the investment and time period. So, in time period, the which they have invested. So, there are some few cases here where we need to make a note right away. We'll see. If time period and the investment is same by both the persons, then the share of profit between them will is equal, which is 1:1 ratio. Remember it, guys. And then, okay, so there are some other scenarios. Like there will be a situation like where the investment was done for one whole year by both the persons, but they have invested like 2,000, like 20,000 by one person and 30,000 by another person. Then the profit share of profit will be dependent on the ratio of 20,000 and 30,000, which is 2:3. So similarly, the second case is if investment is same. So if the amount invested by them like 10,000 each, 10,000 each, then share of profit will be dependent on the ratio of the time periods in which they have invested. And the other last one, like the time period as well as investment will not be the same, then it will be the profit share of profit will be dependent on the product of investment and the time period. So that's it. Now we'll go on to the problems, guys. So this is our first problem in this video. It is given as if 3 times of Ram's capital is equals to 4 times of Sham's capital, which is equals to 5 times of Ramya's capital, then find out the share of Sham out of the total profit, rupees 1,880 rupees. So fine. It's a simple problem, guys. So it's given 3 times Ram's capital. Yeah, it's given as 3 times Ram's capital. So I can like this: 3 times Ram's capital is equals to 4 times Sham. So with this Ram to Sham, what is the ratio I got? 4:3. Now it is given 4 times Sham's capital, which is equals to 5 times Ramya's capital. So 4 times Sham's capital is equals to 5 times Ramya's capital. So with this Sham to Ramya ratio, what I'm going to get? 5:4. So Ram to Sham, I got it as 4:3. Sham to Ramya, I got it as 5:4. Now find the compound ratio. Ram to Sham to Ramya. How? Simple, guys. Just in this way. The first person, this first and first terms multiplied 4 5s 20. For the second person, this 3 5s are 50. For third person, this. So this is how we find out a compound ratio if ratios of two persons given at a time. Now we know that this is the ratio share of the profit is done in this ratio according to this ratio. And now what is the total profit? It is given as 1,880. Whose share I need to calculate? Sham share. So Sham is getting how many units here? Sham is getting 15 units. So Sham is getting 15 units out of total how much? 20 plus 15 plus 12, 47 from 1,880. So 47 and 1,880. So 47 proves 94, and yeah, it will cancel out it 4 times. So 40, 15 into 40, 600. So this is the Sham's profit, 600 rupees. Clear. Yeah, now we will move on to our next problem. So this is our second problem. The ratio of investment of Hari to Ravi is 2 is to 3. Ravi to Kiran is 2 is to 3. Then find the total profit of Ravi. Find the total profit if Ravi received 480 from profit. Fine. So similar to our previous problem, guys. Hari to Ravi is given as 2 is to 3. Ravi to Kiran is given as 2 is to 3. Find out the compound ratio. Hari to Ravi to Kiran. So according to our previous way, 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. This is how we'll calculate our uh, profit ratio. This is 4 is to 6 is to 9. Now, according to the ratio, Ravi is getting how many units? Ravi is getting 6 units. Where this 6 units is given as how much, guys? According to the problem, 480 rupees. So then 6 units is 480 rupees. Then 1 unit is 480 by 6, which is 80 rupees. Nice. Now total profit is how many units? 6 plus 4 plus 9, 19 units. So I need to calculate 19 units. So 19 units will be, 1 unit is 80, then 19 units will be 19 times 80. So mm, yeah, 8 tens 800 and 8 9 7, 72. It will be 800 plus 720, which is 1520. That's it. This is my second problem answer. I hope you understood. We'll move on to our next problem. This is the third problem, guys. Yeah. A and B entered into partnership with the capitals in the ratio 4 is to 5. After 3 months, A withdrew one fourth of his capital and B withdraws one fifth of his capital. The gain at the end of 10 months was 760. A's share in the profit is nice. So he directly given in this problem A is to be investment ratio as 4 is to 5. Fine. So here we need to remember one thing, guys. The investment is not same for the whole time period. The investment is getting changed. So according to this, what I'm going to do is from the ratio, sorry, yeah, from the ratio, this is A and this is B. From the ratio, can I say that A is investing 4 units, which is like 4x, and B is investing some 5 units, which is I'm taking the common part as x here. I'm assuming the common part as x. Now, for how many months the investment is in this way? For 3 months, right? They invested for 3 months first, according to this. So that means multiply investment with time period to 3 months. After 3 months, what happened? They has withdrawn one fourth. Let's say A is 4x. In this one fourth has been withdrawn. How much? X has been withdrawn. So the remaining investment will be, which is stayed is 3x. Correct. So now A is investing 3x rupees. Now similarly B is 5x rupees and B withdraws how much it is given in the problem? One fifth. So one fifth of 5x is x, and so again B is also how much it is investing? 4x. So B is investing 4x. Now for how many months? Just go through the later part of the question. The gain at the end of 10 months. So 10 months was given. So at the end of 10 months it is given. Already first 3 months investment we have calculated. So if it is 10 months it is given. So the remaining this the changed values of investment is for invested for how many months? 7 months. So take add these things. So which is nothing but 4 times 3 is 12x plus 7 times 3 times 7 is 21x. This is investment of A, and 5 times 3 is 15x plus 4 times 7 is 28x. So which is 12 plus 21 is 33x is to 15 plus 28 is 43x. So this is the ratio of share of profit ratio of A is to B is 33 is to 43. So then what it is given next? We need to calculate A's share. We need to calculate A's share in the profit. So A is getting how many parts? 33 parts. Out of total, how much? 33 plus 43, 76. From how much? 760 rupees. So clearly 760 and goes in 10 times in 76. So 33 times 10 is 330. This is my required answer. Hope you understood the problems in the partnership. So take a screenshot of the first these things, guys. Uh, this is what almost the important part that is to be required to solve the problems in partnerships. Fine. This is it in this video. Let's meet in our next video.